Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to upload IGTV videos on your Instagram account. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, go to Instagram account. Then click on plus icon. After that, select the video you want to upload to IGTV. Okay, I'm going to select this video. Before you select the video, you should make sure whether the video is suitable for IGTV. That means video should not be less than 60 seconds. At least it should be 1 minute video. Then click on the arrow on the top right side. Then here you need to select long video. If you select short video, it will show up to 1 minute of your video. But we need to add our full length of the video. So select long video. Then we can add to IGTV. Then click on continue. Here you can select the video cover. It is like thumbnail. You can select it by dragging left and right. Or you can add custom image from your gallery. Then select, then keep the cover as you want and click on next. Here you can add title and video description. Okay, I will add my video title, iPhone 12 Pro, then description as you want, the best phone ever. Whatever you want, you can add your description. Then here you can see post a preview. Here you can add preview to your post feed. Also here there are some options. Then click on post to IGTV. Okay, now my video is uploading. It will take few seconds or few minutes to upload the video. It depends on your speed of your internet connection. Okay, now my video has been uploaded. Now you can see here IGTV icon on your profile. Then click on that. Here you can see the video. Okay, here it is. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.